The General Secretary of the All Khasi Hills Nokma Welfare Association, Rengdim Unit, Zimikris G. Marak, expressed gratitude to all those who had assisted them during their trying times. On the 16th of June 2022, the people of Kalu village in West Khasi Hills were filled with grievances due to the intensifying floods that had caused extensive damage to roads, bridges, shops, markets, and people's homes in the area. Many people in the area had lost their homes and properties, but at this moment of darkness, many good Samaritans came together to extend the helping hand by providing food and daily necessities. As a result, the General Secretary of All Khasi Hills Nokma Welfare Association, Zimikris G. Marak, thanked the people on their behalf.
Angni bimung ko Zimikris G. Marak ane mga anga kalu nokma ni depante aru ya All Khasi Hills Nokma Welfare Association Rengdim unit ni ba General Secretary ongenga tengtaman sa ya somai ni bako ya kandagupa somai ni bako anga tengtang mandirang ko aru tim rang ko metelna kita nangneg benga maina yang pa batanggemen somayo Jun 6 tariko kalu songko Rengdim songni adita nokrang nengchigen aru bokchung ya songni nokrang ko si manpakang ngahacem aru tengtang nengnekaniyo ga akengacem Wamangna dengan mansa antang ni matnau niko, antang ni grup ni matnau niko, ongel gupa sakanti ko ya somai ni bako metela tenga. Muso mete metela ko matna krabi gupa, skang gupa jakso kacing gupa All Khasi Hills Nokma Welfare Association angni tim manong wang berang ko metela. Aro songni nokni palo ba area ni palo metela krabi gupa, rongarani video office ni tim rang, rongram video office ni tim. Honorable formal MLA, formal CM, aru Songsa constituency ni MLA, Dr. Mukul Sangma, Bado official rang, aru ni team rang, Bakmara DC office, aru ni team, Certain Wanderlust, wamang ni team, Achuk Heritage Pursuits, wamang ni team, Citizens of Gasua Pare area, Tura Adventure Club, aru wamang ni team, UCA Youth Wing Tura aru CGU wamang ni team Mothers Union Tura aru dengtang garulis ni bak ni manderang MLA sengni MLA Sir Jigur Martong wan dengtang mansa yar chalangoni kalu na rama ko thariat ple antang ni garichi bustu gapche ple sale dakchakani ko naha aru sengni saksa CGU rongarani MLA Sir Rakam Esangma aru Garu Hills ni self help group mungsong pati Turani self help group Delhi Achuk Society ya tim rang ba ya manderang ya angni mengat kepana agriba dengtang manderang antang ni matnau ni ko ngelata ha mungsong pati Garu Hills ni manderang ko aru Khasi Hills dongpa Achukrang ko anga metelat nanam nugbia maina uamang dengtang bustu rang ko nachi tin rang ko sualachi tarpaulin arum chanarungna mirong mesu samjak Mechikrang ni babisa desarang ni ganasna ni rang aru plak noko basongo jakalna nanggupa bustu rang ko gele wamang relief ka at nagata manderang ko nengnekani ko chagrong pa manderang na relief ko naha wanake dalo na kengkeng ya MLA ni garion sini Jigur Martong ni garion singa bustu ko salanginga maina rama man kujani gemen singa Rengdim stok kaidon singa ha uko dalo kaluci salang emang sual nasinga andake angni bimung mengsok na amgi jagpa dengtang manderang ko anga ya somai ni bako singa kalusong aru rongchengsong Rengdim bokchung aru wakpangram area gemek ni palo anga ya somai ni bako na simang sakanti ko dak saking gepa sakanti ko metela.